So spontaneous versus non-spontaneous. The spontaneous process is going to occur without ongoing outside intervention. A spontaneous process may need a little push to get started. Think about combustion of gas, right? So the Bunsen burner, you turn the gas on, does it just ignite? No, it doesn't. But if you give it a spark and begin the reaction, it will continue without ongoing intervention. And so that is a spontaneous process. With simple mechanical systems, it's relatively easy to see that systems tend towards lowest potential energy. Things fall down, right? Things roll down the hill. They don't roll up. It's lower potential energy. For chemical systems, what's happening is that we are looking at a lowering of chemical energy, a lowering of the total energy of the system. And so we talk about a chemical potential to help us to predict which direction the system is going to go. It's important that we not confuse spontaneity with speed of reaction. Speed of reaction is kinetics. How fast does the reaction proceed? Spontaneity says, does it happen on its own or not? So a reaction can be spontaneous, but really slow kinetically. The catalyst would increase the rate of a spontaneous reaction. If you have a non-spontaneous reaction, a catalyst is going to do absolutely nothing. Another thing that we need to get our minds around is a non-spontaneous process is not impossible, but it needs ongoing intervention, perhaps energy being put in order for it to occur. So when we're looking at spontaneity, we're looking at generally the energy of the reactants and the products. So here our reactants are lower in energy. Our products are final in energy. What? What did I just say? I don't even know. That didn't make any sense at all. Final in energy. Reactants are lower in energy and the products are higher in energy. And so just looking at that, we would predict that because this is increasing in energy, that there's a likelihood that it would not be spontaneous. But there's actually more to the story than that. Kinetics is going to tell us about the intermediate states and the speed of the reaction. Put a catalyst in, you can reduce that hump in the middle, the activation energy. Okay, so you clear on the difference between kinetics and thermodynamics? Kinetics is how fast. Thermodynamics, does it happen spontaneously?